Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Appreciate you tuning in once again. So we are doing a different video today. This one's going to be more of a bloopers video, let's call it. Some of my mishaps and redos and all that kind of stuff. So I'm coming up to around 100 videos, and obviously amongst those videos, you're going to have a few things here and there that you got to cut out. And I don't do anything script. Everything's just off the cuff. So obviously, like I say, if you're doing that many of them, there's going to be a few things you got to edit and delete. So I just put a little collection together, and unfortunately, throughout those 100 videos I made, they're close to it. We're almost there. I have deleted a lot of them, and my wife happened to say, you know what, you should do a bloopers video. And I thought, that's a good idea. So I started going through some of my old videos that I still had on the computer, and we put a little collection together. So I appreciate everybody that has stuck around watching most of these videos, and I hope you're around to watch the next 100 videos. Like I say, it's just a little quick video on a few things here. There's not a lot of them. There should have been way more, but next 100 videos, I'll remember to save them and put them in a different queue or whatnot. So we're going to call this one Bloopers Video 1.0. So like I say, I appreciate you guys hanging around and watching all these videos, and so sit back and let's see what we got going here. Let's take a look. See, and I hate holding the camera sometimes because I feel like I'm all jaggedy with it. Because I hate watching videos where everybody's like, oh, like, dude, put it on a tripod. I don't have a tripod that goes this high.
Why have a tripod?
I've been using it. I put it on the back of the chair.
Yeah, that's what we were talking about.
No, that works good. I use that all the time. I use that all the time. Plus, I like it because it threads down, not spring clips. That's what I really like about it. So I hate it because
we paid attention.
I do my hand thing like now. Yeah, so hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Appreciate you tuning in again. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Appreciate you tuning in once again. Man, it's just another cold, nasty night out. Just must be because of the hurricane or something going down in Florida. My sister lives down there. Give her a call and see how she's doing. They said, we're ready. We're going to ride it out and see what happens. I said, all right, I'll call you back Friday and see if you made it or not. So, no, I'm teasing. That's a bad start. Love this car. Love it. I had one of these back in the day.
Look at all them models. We still got more to bring in.
Okay, that don't matter. I edited it anyway, so. Oh. No, it's the nice thing about edit. I can sit here and edit if I need. So that part don't matter. Oops, broke that cover. Guess I'll edit that out later. So we're trying a new camera today. This is actually a camcorder instead of a camera, my cell phone. So we'll see how that works. I'm trying to see if the sound works alright too. So test run, testing, 1, 2, 3, testing. Anyways, bring it open there. Okay. Staring into the lens. Like I say, I've talked long enough. And hunt me down and we'll get together. So anyways, yeah, so let me take you over to the bench. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Hey guys. Wow. Hey guys, welcome back to the. So anyways, this wire that they string across these high power lines here, transmission towers, I guess if you want, call them that way. Anyways, these wires that they string across these Hey guys, it's let's see, it's 100 foot of line. They call it easy line because it also has a little bit of elasticity. It also has a little stretch to it. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. That is it. So I appreciate you guys tuning in, watching this video, and we will check you out next time around. So let's take it over the bench and open it up. Cable here. Everybody knows what these are, correct? Or this one piece is. Ethernet cable. Do you know what other good use these have? So I just thought of it myself. You may not know the answer. I'll show you in a minute. They also have a good use for, and I'll show you in a minute. Yeah, I had to clean the bench. It was getting to me. Had to go. Let's get back to the video. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Don't you like when those guys in the movies said that dark, deep voice, you know, that this time on this movie, that. Big thing is, when you are sanding these things, is you gotta watch the high spots. Because you'll rub through the paint and then you repaint. Let's get started. Well, hello again. Let's see what we got from the wonderful world of eBay. Yeah. The 80s IMS Mustang. Get rid of that. We're just kind of going that route with that, so how about that? So once again, I appreciate you. Wow. Hey, so once again, I appreciate you guys tuning in and checking out the channels. Well, that's all I have for tonight, guys. So I appreciate you tuning in and watching the video. So I hope you liked it. Like I say, we're going to put another one together here pretty soon. And maybe if I can find some more outtakes from previous videos, we'll roll it into the next one. So once again, I appreciate everybody watching, and you guys have a good one. Thanks again.